Hey guys, today we'll be performing an oil change on a 2010 V8 Commodore with a 3-litre engine. You're going to need a 5W40 oil and this oil filter. First we're just going to pop the bonnet and take the engine cover off. Okay, so first you're just going to take your oil cap off, which we've already done. You're just going to lift up and pull out. And next up you have 6 belly bolts that need to come undone, which is 3 on each side, and they are size 13mm. The sump plug bolt is a 15mm. Yeah. So now we're just going to take the oil filter housing off. It's a 23mm socket. That's in the way. We tried to film this as best as we could, but thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. There will be more V8 Commodore videos coming up soon.